Hey y'all. Ignore my hair. I'll fix that up later. As for now, you guys, we are going to be doing the Fenty review makeup video, okay? So, don't come for me. I know I'm late, but it's better late than never. I got my hands on the Fenty Beauty new foundation, their new concealer, and I already had their contour stick and everything else. I didn't get the powder, but I got the bronzer, so whatever. I'm just gonna be showing you guys what I got and my initial thoughts and review on these products. So yeah, so first we're gonna start off with priming our face. Now I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty primer, of course, you guys know. Now I have literally used this to its last little squeeze. I'm literally pumping and it's not even coming out. So I need to re-up on this. I feel like breaking the bottle because I want it so bad. I think I'm gonna break it. Should I break it? Because I see it, like it's something in there, but it's just not coming out. 5 years later. Y'all, it's still not coming out. Finally got some. Okay. Oh, it was only a little bit that came out though. Alright, so the primer is on, and I'm not going to use any other primer. I am going to go in with my MAC Strobe Cream. This is going to add some shimmer to our faces, to my face. And I just love adding an illuminator underneath my foundation. I feel like it's been forever since I've actually sat down and did a video, like a makeup video. I felt like I've just been doing so many hair videos, and you know, it's business, but I'm so happy that, you know, all the hair videos, like all these sponsored hair videos are like slowing down, so I have more time to actually get out makeup content. It's fall and I haven't even uploaded a fall look, but it's coming, trust me. I am back with the makeup looks, okay? Ooh, y'all, look how much makeup I have been buying, and I just haven't found the time to sit down and film. This bag is literally filled with makeup. Like, sis, I'm having the content for y'all like ASAP. I have so much stuff in here. From PR to like actual things that I've bought. Everything's just in one bag. Comment down below if you guys want to see like a first impressions of everything in this bag, because I would definitely do that video. So leave a comment down below. Got the Fenty foundation. Now, first of all, packaging is bomb. Y'all know she does over-the-top packaging all the time. So chic and like, oh, I love it. So this is actually in the shade 385, and I judged it literally from just looking at the bottle. This looks like my color. In the Pro Matte one that I have, I am 330. Now I felt like that one was a little bit too light for me, so I just went in with the, well, I got the 385. Let me show you guys the comparison of the two colors together. As you guys can see, this is actually 350. The 350 is much lighter, and the 385 I think is like right on key. Now this is the Hydrating Longwear Foundation. They have 40 shades of this, I believe, which is very, 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 very good. I know Rihanna is good for that. So it has the same pump as the matte one, and I'm just gonna do about 2 pumps. Okay, so this is 2 pumps, and this definitely looks like my color. So first, I think I'm going to go in one side with a brush and the other side with a beauty sponge. So just dip into this, and okay, so I think this is their hydrating one. So it's not meant to look matte. It smells really good. Oh my god, it smells good. And it doesn't have like a strong smell to it. It's literally like, it just smells fresh. And this, all of this right now is just one dip. The coverage is, wow. Coverage looks good. I think it's medium to full coverage, and you can build it up. But really, from one dip, and I'm getting this much payoff, This is nice. And it feels like skin. It doesn't feel like I have anything too heavy on my face, which I like. You guys, this is my perfect shade. Like, I'm happy I have an eye, because a good eye at that, because girl, if this was the wrong shade, I'd be irked. Here is this side. Ignore my lace, y'all. Ugh, ignore my lace. Okay, so this is this side. I feel like it looks very skin-like, and it's not like dried down, which I really like. And the coverage isn't too much, so I guess you can go for like a natural look for this. And like a bit, let's see really what it covers on this side, because this side is where all my freckles and where my moles are. It didn't cover that one. No foundation ever really does, but I have some freckles and moles on this side, so let's see how it does with the beauty sponge. So the thing with beauty sponges and applying foundation and stuff, oh, it actually did cover up, like my little baby ones. Okay, it feels really nice with the sponge. I feel though that the brush definitely adds more coverage rather than the sponge, because the sponge definitely does suck up some products. So I'm gonna go in with one more pump. I'm just happy that this is like my actual shade. And I'm just going in with the rest of the foundation that I have on my hand, because we're using up all of this product, okay? Oh, and the pricing for it was, I think, $38 or close to 40 or 35, something like that. I'll have it on the screen and all the information like that. And as you guys can see in the camera, you guys see like that natural glare. It doesn't look oily or dewy. It just looks really natural. The camera might be showing it as oily, but I promise it's not. So next I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 330. So when you go to actually buy the foundation, underneath they show you what concealer they recommend for that foundation shade, which I think is super helpful, because when people go in and buy foundation, they literally have to guess what concealer shade is actually theirs, whether it's 2 shades lighter or 1. So I feel like that's really dope. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the concealer. First of all, applicator is bomb. I like this because it's wide and I feel like it doesn't hold on to any product. And we're just applying it to the areas that we would normally highlight. That was one dip, y'all, one dip, and I literally covered my whole face. I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty sponge because that's what I normally do. I guess on one side I can use a brush, but as for everywhere else, one side underneath my eye I'm going to use a beauty sponge, and the other side I'm going to use a brush. That took no effort at all to blend out, like at all. Y'all, hold up, this thing is blending out like butter. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this looks so good, like so skin-like. There's a fly in here. I'm gonna use a brush for the concealer. And if you are into like light highlights, I would definitely recommend going at least 2 shades up, because I feel like this highlight is very subtle but very natural as well. And again, this one is in the shade 330, and you guys, oh my gosh. So I feel like Rihanna was just trying to please both sides of both different skin types. So we have the matte for the oily skin, and now we have like the hydrated foundation for the dry skin. I am a mixture of both, so this is very interesting to see how this is going to look after a couple hours, because I get really oily right here, and from the looks of it, I'm already like glossy. I'm not oily because I haven't been like wearing the foundation, but I am a bit glossy in my T-zone area, which is okay. We're gonna go in and set everything. Use my Maybelline Shine Free Loose Setting Powder. I'm all about mixing high end and low end together, so doing this, also like using this low end setting powder with the high-end foundation and concealer is gonna show me how well her products mix with other products. Because you know, when companies usually make a foundation and concealer, everything else that they put out works better with that. So trying out different products that are not of the same brand can really give you like an actual insight of how well the product is. And now I'm gonna go in with bronzer. Now I got her Instant Warmth bronzer. This is in the shade Sunstalker. First of all, love the packaging because it's gold. And ooh, this is the shade. I feel like this is perfect, especially for my skin complexion. And it's definitely warm, which I like, and I'm yellow, so I definitely need that. Okay, so I'm gonna do like a soft tap. Ooh, pigment. So I would definitely say do as light taps as you can and be very careful because you definitely don't want to add too much. Definitely love this. Okay, I really like this. This might be my new go-to bronzer for sure. And I have been needing a new one. I have been using my Tired NYX matte bronzer and my Black Radiance bronzer. Told y'all, like, I'm good on high-end, low-end stuff for sure. For highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the Killawatt Can't speak. I'm gonna go in with the Killawatt highlighter in the shades Girl Next Door and Chic Freak. It's like a very light peachy highlight, which I love on my skin complexion. Alright, you guys, so really from the looks, I feel like I like it. Now, this is just right now. Everything can change, and right now it is 12:45, and I am going to go throughout my day, and then I'll be back at the end of the day just to show you guys and give you guys like a review and my initial thoughts on the foundation, how well it kept up and everything like that. And excuse the baby that you guys hear crying. That is my nephew. So yeah, I'll be back later on and I will show you guys pretty much how everything is holding up. But right now, from the looks of it, I like it. It doesn't look dry, but it doesn't look dewy, which I really like. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alrighty, loves. So it is about 7 o'clock at night. Now, I have been wearing this foundation, the face, for about 7 hours. And honestly, I am like really impressed with the results that I'm seeing right now. So normally around this time when I wear my face for a long period of time, I usually get oily in my T-zone area, like I said before. Now, I am oily just a little bit, a little bit. Like, you can see like a little on my nose is a bit oily. I also feel like when you wear your foundation or your face throughout the day, your face starts to get a little splotchy and the makeup starts to separate. You guys, the makeup has not separated at all. My face literally looks like it's my skin. Like, this is like a natural beat for me. Like, it's something very simple. So I also normally crease around my smile lines, and I'm looking in the mirror. I normally crease around my smile lines. Now, when I crease, you can always see it because when I smile like this, yeah, it's like really deep. So I normally always get creases around my mouth, but with this foundation, it's like literally minimal, like minimal creasing. And I have been looking for a foundation that just treats my face and my smile lines, and this is doing it for me. Okay, it's in the shade 385, the Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I would definitely recommend this for dry skin because my face is definitely hydrated, but it's not overly oily, which I really love. And the foundation, the concealer, everything just applied so smoothly and blended out like butter to where everything just looks like flawless. Like, everything is just amazing. As for the bronzer, I feel like it's still on. You guys can see it. I feel like my bronzers usually tend to fade away as I go throughout the day, and the product just starts to slip away. I don't know why that is, but highlighter is still on. You guys see that, of course. Everything is pretty much still intact, and I'm just really loving the way that everything turned out, you guys. So if you are interested in purchasing their products, then I'll definitely give it a go ahead. So with all of that being said, you guys, this is my initial thoughts on the Fenty review. Again, I am late, but it's better late than never, okay? So without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl's channel, leave a comment down below. And before we go, today's motivational quote is, never question God's timing, because he, above anyone, knows when is the right time for everything. So just allow time to flow, allow things to pass, situations to come, and as long as you have God on your side, you will surpass all of that. And that was off the dome because my phone is dead, okay? So thank you guys for watching, and I would definitely see you loves in my next video. Bye.